Hey guys, today we're shooting a video on this 2006 Toyota Camry. This one, customer brought it in. It's got a check engine light on it. He had it somewhere else and they told him that he needs a new ECM, PCM, new computer for the car. So he brought it here, and what we found is we got two codes. We got code P0137 for a faulty oxygen sensor and a P0606 for the faulty ECM, PCM that they told him he needed. The problem with this is not the actual computer. We got a problem with the oxygen sensor that's not grounding itself off and giving the wrong ground to the computer, and that's what's causing your P0606. So ultimately what you need is just to replace the downstream oxygen sensor on this one, and there's no need for you to replace the whole computer. So we're going to show you guys here how to replace the oxygen sensor, and then we'll clear up the codes and take it for a test drive, and that should do the trick. So if you guys look here on the bottom of the car, this is the oxygen sensor we want to replace. This is the downstream one. So we got an upstream that's on top in here before the catalytic, and this is the downstream after the catalytic. So right there we got the connector for it. We just press this tab and that guy pops right out. And then I got a special wrench specifically for oxygen sensors. He's got this little groove on here that goes through the wire and then fits around. If you guys don't have this, what you can do is cut this wire off here and just get a 22mm wrench. And with the box end part of the wrench, don't go through the open end because you're going to just strip the oxygen sensor. It's going to be real hard to get out because that thing's in there real good. So cut this off and then go with the closed end of the wrench on there, and you just want to give it a nice nudge to break it loose to begin with. And then after that, we'll unscrew this guy off. Yeah, as you guys can see, this thing's pretty caked. And then we got a nice original OEM Denso oxygen sensor we'll put in here. Make sure you guys use the anti-seize packet that comes with it, so that way it doesn't rust up on there, so it's a little easier to take out next time. So you just thread that in there with your hands first. Tighten it up with your wrench. You don't have to go too crazy on it. And then we'll plug the connector back in its place. And then you guys will clear up the codes, take it around for a test drive, and that should do the trick. So if you guys are getting a P0606 code for the computer, try this out first and check out your oxygen sensors before you go replacing the computer. So hope you guys enjoy this video and it helps you out, and thank you for watching.